Hi, it's Robin Levin. In this video, I'm going to share with you my first solo journey. My first solo vacation was a cruise. About 20 years ago, just me and my suitcase set off for my first solo adventure. A cruise. Kind of scary, right? My friends and family thought so, but I knew I needed a vacation. So back then, cruise ships had big dining rooms and assigned tables. And it turns out my seatmate was Mr. Levin. He pulled out my chair and said, "Darling, we've been waiting for you." Whew, I was so relieved. Did we know each other? No, we were total strangers, and it just happened to be coincidental that we had the same last name. And he was the restaurant owner of a steakhouse in San Francisco. So, be bolder as you're older. That's my tip to you, and go ahead and take that solo journey. And if you need some help planning it, and you don't want to go alone, DM me or get a hold of me. Check out the link below. Lux Club Travel, where stories and journeys begin.